YouTube, this is Jeremiah with On the Spot Window Cleaning, coming to you from beautiful San Luis Obispo, California. Anyway, we're going to show you one of our projects that we keep maintained. We clean it every month. It's a property rental, kind of a vacation rental location here out on a farm. It's called MarFarm. It's got some interesting windows. We have a couple of houses in the area that have these. I think these types of windows might be custom to this area. There's a manufacturer locally that installs them. I don't know if they ship out, but show you some of the tools we use, some of the tricks, some of the things that we look out for, and not just specific to this location here at MarFarm, but anywhere we come across similar pieces of glass, or we like to use these various tools. Anyway, I will see you around the property. Thanks for watching. If this is on YouTube, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment and all those fun things. And if you're watching this video somewhere else, because I don't know, I might post it somewhere else, have fun with it, and maybe you'll learn something, maybe you'll hate it. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you inside. So here's a closer look at these windows. This frame here, let's get a shot here. This frame is some sort of a silicone rubber and then a metal. So the metal actually holds it all together, but it's got this weird silicone caulking. It's not traditional old school window glazing. It's something new, and what's difficult about it is when we water fed pull it, it's a little more porous, I think, and it holds on to the dirt, so it doesn't rinse as freely or as quickly. So we gotta make sure we really heavily rinse these. And also the glass itself is hydrophobic, so that also doesn't rinse easily. So we just got to make sure that this gets a full scrub and rinse each time. But yeah, this I don't know if you've seen these with this silicone glazing, but we have a couple of properties that have these locally, and they're interesting. Anyway, so we'll show you how we water fed pull these. So let's talk about some tools that we're going to be using for this project here at MarFarm. Because it's all small cut up panels, they're about 14, 15 inches by maybe 18 or 20 inches. Anyway, we like to fan windows as much as possible if we don't have an exact cut. Sometimes we will do straight pulls if it's, you know, reasonable. We're not unreasonable with that, but in general we like to fan them out. So for that we have, oh yeah, we know this one, the Moerman Flick. There's a scrub pad, and then we have the Eliminator and the Liquidator. The Liquidator. I always forget which one's which. One is the name for the handle, the other one is the name for the channel. But what we do is we replace the channel rubber that comes with it with usually a Notori rubber. I'm going to change this one out. I have one of the Unger greens. I'm going to cut it to size and see how it lasts in here. Anyway, so for all those small fun ones, I do like the way these things cut in, and that's why I use it. They cut in, especially on French panels or small cut frames, they cut in so nicely. It just saves so much on detail. I'm willing to go ahead and just buff out the middle if it's going to leave a little wear mark through the middle when you turn. I'd rather buff those out when they're relatively dry than have to detail every edge on a bunch of small French style cut windows. Either way, this is what we'll be using mostly today on the inside of the windows. Just wave, just smile and wave. I don't want to get Brett's good side yet.
Brett's good side? Good side.
Out here at MarFarm today. Beautiful vacation rental for those that like ranches. Logo here, MarFarm. Have a good one, Zach. This is Zachariah Castellon. It's gonna be the next. Oh, check your angle on the channel. Training day, high pole work for smaller panes. Using the 10-inch Moerman Liquidator with flick pad. 0 detail edges. Getting those turns nice and smooth. Plus, I'm gonna take the camera off of Zach. This is a beautiful VRBO. How's that feeling, Zach?
Smoother.
Good. I ain't going closer this time. I like it. That last one, I didn't hear any clicks. That was nice. So what did you think as you did them? Were you noticing clicks, hearing them, anything else?
Yeah, like you said, if I got too deep down and had to come back up, I could feel.
Yeah.
I put too much pressure on the blade and then had to switch back.
No, that was good though. So in general, that was excellent. You just need to be cognizant when you hear those clicks. Make sure you're touching them up with the buff out towel. And then, so what we're gonna do here next is you're gonna take your yellow towel and you're just gonna get the bottom frame without touching any of that upper glass so that it doesn't drip down and we get rid of any uglies that are on the frame still. Those yellow towels don't wrap as nicely as some of the other towels. Fantastic. All right, yeah, cool. So when you do a first cut in hard. You can even, if you can get to the edge, you can even come all the way over from the edge. So it's that much easier to make it to the corner.